up to 1.5 million, which makes it part of the world.
It's hunting season.
That one with the horns.
Do you have one? Nope. Yeah, those yellow ones, yellow-headed ones.
Walk like flamingo.
Look at that giant fish! Oh, it's matrimony! See him look at it. Well, take a picture!
We're gonna go on safari. Safari. See him way in the look at him.
What else? You think of anything else that might make you a really good hunter? Those of you who are up close are getting a really nice look at one very important adaptation. Yeah, it's claws. Yeah, good job. Those claws and their talons, very important to these owls. Those talons, how they actually catch their prey. They swoop down on their prey from above, grab their prey in those talons, and once they have hold, they're not letting go. Those talons are very sharp and they are extremely powerful. So the owl's going to win out on any competition right there. And of course, those talons, also why you see me wearing a glove. Rather he not mistake my hand for any bit of prey and decide not to let go. It would be a little bit uncomfortable for me. Now we've gone over some of these great adaptations that these owls have, but what do you think they're going to use those adaptations to catch? What's an owl like Joe going to eat? Mice, rats. What else? Rabbits. Bats. Yeah. Other birds. I heard snakes. Yeah, anything. There you go. Pretty much anything they can catch. Yeah, if anything